Hello everyone, welcome back. Due to the technical issues during the live session, I decided to create this short and concise setup tutorial so everyone can properly prepare for the upcoming data analysis sessions. In this video, I'll show you how to install Python, how to install Jupyter Notebook, and how to run your first Python code. Now let's get started. So first, open your web browser and go to python.org. Click on downloads. You usually see the latest version automatically suggested, so click download Python installer manager, but then you download the one that is suitable for your operating system. So if it is for Windows, you download for Windows. If it is for Linux, you download for Linux. For Mac, you download for Macs or Android. So just simply hit this one is the default one for Windows. So you hit this download and it starts downloading. When it's done downloading, just hit the downloaded file and open your installer to install the downloaded file. Before clicking installing now in your installation process, make sure you check add Python to path. It is very important. Make sure you check add Python to path. Then click install now. Wait for the installation. When the installation is completed, then you click close. Now, when you are done with the installation, to verify Python has been successfully installed on your machine, or to verify the current version of Python installed on your machine, just open your terminal. It can be your Windows PowerShell or VS Code's terminal, or just any terminal you want. Then type Python --version, hit enter. Then you see the current version of Python installed on your machine. You should see Python 3.14.4 or the version of Python if you installed. This should tell you you've successfully installed Python on the machine or your PC. Now I'm going ahead with our installations. As we are done with the Python installation, we then move on to the Jupyter Notebook installation. So to install Jupyter Notebook, just you can continue in the terminal you've already opened. Just type pip install notebook. Just type pip install notebook, hit enter, and Jupyter Notebook will start its installation process. Now you can see all this already satisfied, requirements already satisfied because Jupyter Notebook is already installed on my desktop. So if it is not installed on your desktop, you see the downloading process and the installation process. For mine, it has already been installed. That is why you see this. So now, after the installation, run Jupyter Notebook to get started. Now, here is the thing. Some of you might encounter this error, and if you encounter this error, it is because you've not added Python to path. The path hasn't been added to the system, environmental system variables. So the best thing to do when you encounter this problem is just go ahead and bypass that by typing Python -m then notebook. Now this will start your Jupyter Notebook for you. When it starts that, it opens the notebook in your web browser. So now, once you press enter after typing your command in your terminal, your Jupyter Notebook should open automatically in your browser, and it will show the home interface and files area. So to create our first notebook, we need to go to new here. When we go to new here, then we select Python thread. This is where we write all our Python codes during the course. So to get started, let's just type a simple Python code with a variable name in, then we print that variable. So now this is just a simple Python code we are going to use to test our notebook. So we hit run, then we see it has printed hello plus our name, which is Joshua stored in the variable name. So congratulations, your environment is fully ready for the upcoming sessions. Thank you for watching this setup tutorial. Make sure the Python is installed properly. Make sure your Jupyter notebook is also working properly, because in the next sessions we'll focus directly on coding and data analysis without repeating the setup process. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and get ready for the next session. See you soon. Thank you.